Yep. How are you doing? Oh, there's no sound. I can't hear you. Okay. There. All right.
Can you hear
So,
me now?
yes.
Okay, thanks.
What time did you wake
So
up?
I woke up at 8 a.m.
8 a.m. All right. That's good. That's good. Okay. So today we'll be practicing your pronunciation.
Okay.
I'll try to improve your pronunciation. All right. So I have some
Mm.
activities here that you need to practice. You need to read. You ready?
Yes, I am.
Hey, good. There you go. Hold on. All right. So I'll read first. So
Mm.
both pronunciation here are correct. Okay. Pronunciation
Okay.
A is correct. Pronunciation B is also correct. All right. So I'll read first and then I will let you read after. Okay.
Mm.
Mischievous. Say mischievous. So that's the same. Mischievous. Jewelry. See, jewelry. 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 Okay. Jewelry. So that's also correct. Both pronunciation are correct. February. February. Okay. February. That's still the same. That's still correct. February. Hey, that's how you pronounce it. But you can use any of this. It's fine. Library. Library. That's one. But this one is library. You see, that's still the same. Library. This one is library. Salmon. Salmon. This one is salmon. Okay, so that's still correct. Salmon. This one is salmon. 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 Subtle. See, subtle. This one is subtle. That's still
Mm.
correct. Ask. So this one is ask. This one is ask. But it's still fine. Okay, Wednesday. Z, the pronunciation is Z.
Mm.
Wednesday. That's correct.
Okay.
This one, Wednesday. Wednesday. That's still fine. Okay. Bury. 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 You see, you can say bury, you,
Mm.
or you can say bury, or bury, bury. But that's still correct. So both pronunciation are correct. Stomach. This one is stomach. Okay, stomach. So you pronounce stomach, stomach. Okay, so that's here, stomach. This one is stomach. Okay, but commonly we use this one. The pronunciation A,
Okay.
that's common. But in some cases, the pronunciation B is also common. Like jewelry, pronunciation B is common. February,
And now this like the American and
American
British
and British, that's
pronunciation.
right. These are both American and British pronunciation.
Mm.
Okay? So asks, that's common
Okay.
in American English. Wednesday, bury, bury.
Mm.
See? So in some cases the pronunciation is common, in some cases the pronunciation B is correct. Okay? So
Okay.
whichever you prefer, that's fine as long as you use either pronunciation A or pronunciation B. Okay? So
Mm.
let's start. Just read the word from here up to the last one. Okay, start.
Without counting the pronunciation
No
A and
need, no
B,
need for
right?
this one. No need.
Okay.
Okay, start.
Mischievous jewelry,
Jewelry.
jewelry,
Okay, you pronounce the jewelry. You pronounce the
Mm.
jewelry. Again,
Jewelry,
you hard, jewelry.
uh, jewelry.
Jewelry. You prolong the jewelry.
Okay. So,
You see this one, double O, jewelry.
uh,
Jewelry. That's still the same. It's you prolong.
mm,
Again,
jewelry,
jewelry. One more time.
Jewelry.
Okay, good. Next.
February.
Whichever you're comfortable. Are you comfortable with this or you're comfortable with this?
I don't
Uh,
know.
but
Hmm.
this one is February. You see the
Oh,
pronunciation? February.
okay.
This one is February. Febu. This one is February. There's R. Here, there's no R. You pronounce the U.
Hmm.
February. You see, again,
February.
not February. There's no Febra there. This is Ro.
Oh,
There's no Ra. Do you see anything here that says Febra?
I said
There's
February.
no Febra. You see, that's still the same. February, that's still the same. You're saying it February. There's no February there. Febru. February. The O,
February.
double O, double O. Okay, again.
February.
Long. February. Long. February.
February.
Okay. February.
February.
Okay. Prolong the U, because there's double O,
Hmm.
so it should be long.
Okay.
February. Again.
February.
Okay, next.
Library.
Okay, library.
Library.
Okay, this one. That's the library. Okay, next.
Salmon.
Salmon. Salmon.
Ah, salmon.
Okay, good. Subtle.
Subtle.
You can pronounce it subtle.
Subtle.
Okay, good. Ask.
Ask.
Okay. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay, good. This one.
Bury.
Bury. Bury.
Ah, bury.
Okay, good. If you say bury, that's still okay. Bury.
Hmm.
Okay, say
Uh,
bury.
bury.
Okay, good. Stomach. Stomach.
Stomach.
Okay, stomach. Okay, see the ICK,
Ah,
stomach. All right, very good. So again, from start to finish.
mischievous. Jewelry. February. Library. Salmon. Subtle. Ask. Wednesday. Bury. Stomach.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, good job. Next, let's move on to the next one. We'll start from here. Heat.
Heat.
I'll pronounce first. Okay, heat. So that's long. Heat. Hit. Bad. Bad. Yoke. Joke. Sheep. Ship. Hole. Howl. Sun. Sung. Tin. Thin. Please. Peace. Boat. Bought. Bear. Beer. Okay? Start.
Heat. Heat.
Long. Heat.
Ah,
Heat.
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 Okay. Hit.
Heat.
Okay.
Bed. Bad. Yoke. Joke. Sheep. Sheep.
Ship.
Sheep. Hole. Howl. Sun. Sun.
Hang. Sung.
Sun.
Past tense of sing. Sung.
Tin. Thin.
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 Thin. TH sound. Thin.
Ah, thin.
Okay.
Please, please.
Peace. All right.
Both, both,
Bought.
both.
Okay, good.
Better, beer.
Beer. All right, very good. Okay. So let's practice reading. All right, there you go.
Okay.
So a proper cup of coffee. I'll read first and then I will let you read. A proper cup of coffee. All I want is a proper cup of coffee, made in a proper copper coffee pot. I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Tin coffee pots and iron coffee pots, they're no use to me if I can't have a proper cup of coffee. In a proper copper coffee pot, I'll have a cup of tea. Okay? So this is a tongue twister. Practice first. You read first silently. Silently first. Let me know if you're ready.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
Ready, all right? Start.
A proper cup of coffee. All I want is a proper cup of coffee, made in a proper copper coffee pit. I pot. I may be off my thought, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Tin coffee pots and iron coffee pots, they're no use to me. If I can't have a proper cup of coffee in a proper copper coffee pot, I have a cup of tea.
How did you sound?
Um, Weird, I guess.
It's okay. Yes. Yeah, hey, you sound like a robot. All I want is a proper copy paste. I need more practice. Okay, there should be
Okay.
lively. There should be life. Okay, there should be an intonation. The sound should be going up and down, and then it should be lively. Okay, like okay, a
Okay.
proper cup of coffee. All I want is a proper cup of coffee, made in a proper copper coffee pot. I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee. See, there's just be life.
Mm.
There should be life.
Yes.
One more time. You practice first. I'll give you time
Okay.
to practice. All right. Let's see if there's improvement. Okay, let's see. Okay, you ready?
That's right.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Mm.
practice. So we can see your improvement. That's fine. We will always
Okay.
practice. Okay, start.
A proper cup of coffee. All I want is a proper cup of coffee made in a proper coffee pot. I may be of my thought, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Tin coffee pots and iron coffee pots, they're no use to me. If I can't have a proper cup of coffee in a proper cup of coffee pot, I have a cup of tea.
Very good. All right, good job. You see? You just need to
Yes.
practice. You'll have the That's a good sound. That's a good sound. Okay? Good
Okay,
try,
thanks.
good try. Very good. Let's practice more. Okay?
Mm.
See, if you practice, you will get it. You just need to maintain that. Okay, maintain. Okay, next.
Yes.
You have more. Baby. balloon, Iran, remark, doctor, early, decision, architect, messenger, election, indicate, contradict, uniform, transmission, reference, observation, evaluate, portfolio, significant, democratic, regulation. You see? So the big ones, that's where you put the stress.
Mm.
Baby, baby, balloon, Iran. Okay? That's where you put the stress. If there's a bigger square, that's where you put the stress. All right? Let's start going here.
Okay.
Start.
Baby, balloon, Iran,
Iran,
remark, Iran, remark, doctor, early, decision, architect, messenger, election, indicate, contradict, uniform, transmission, reference, observation, evaluate,
evaluate,
portfolio, evaluate, portfolio, significant, democratic,
democratic, crat.
democratic,
Okay, democratic,
democratic, regulation,
regulation.
regulation.
All right, very good. One more time. Okay, one more time. So slowly, baby, slowly.
Okay, baby, balloon, Iran, remark, doctor, early, decision, architect, messenger, election, indicate, contradict, uniform, transmission, reference, observation, evaluate, portfolio, significant, democratic, regulation.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, next, so just slowly and then make sure when you speak English, you remember how you pronounce them. Okay, so
Okay,
when you talk in English, remember what we do with the tongue twister. Okay, that's how you should speak in English. Okay, next.
okay,
I will read first and then I will let you read after. Through, spot, half, good, chair, where, friend, mate, rough, flower, wire, mail, thought, blend, shoe. Okay, shoe, mare, whale, weight, bore, wood. Okay, did you get it? All right, so from here, going this way. Okay, start.
true, spot, hub, good, sir, were, friend, mate, rough, flower, wire, mail, thought, blend, shoe, mare, wave, wait, bore, wood.
All right, very good. Good job. Good job. Okay.
Mm,
Next, let's practice another one. This is fun. Okay.
Yeah, I can
Let's
do that.
practice. Let's practice another one. The big,
Mm,
big pig. Okay, pig. I had a pig who liked to dig. He found a wig and dig a jig. He wore the wig upon his head, then fell asleep in his soft bed. Okay?
mm.
So the pronunciation is IG, ig. Pig, dig,
Okay.
wig, jig, wig. Okay?
Mm.
Let's start.
The big pig. I had a pig who liked to dig. He found a wig and did a jig. He wore the wig upon his head, then fell asleep in his soft bed.
Okay? So one more time. You practice first,
Mm,
silently. Okay? Practice silently.
okay.
I need to hear the sound earlier with the first one. Okay? Silently. You ready?
Yes, I think.
Okay, that's great. Let's start.
The big pig. I had a pig who liked to dig. He found a wig and did a jig. He wore the wig upon his head, then fell asleep in his soft bed.
I'll read it again, okay? The
Okay.
big pig. Pig. You say pig.
Pig.
No, pig.
Oh, pig.
There should be an air going out from your mouth. Pig.
Pig.
Pig. The P is P. P. Pig.
Mm,
Again,
pig.
there should be
Okay.
pig. Pig.
But you have to pronounce it like
Sounds
K
like
or
sounds like a the P should sounds like an F, but it's not really that F. The pig. You see?
pig.
You're breathing out an air. The big pig.
The big pig.
Okay. I had a pig who liked to dig. He found a wig and did a jig. He wore the wig upon his head, then fell asleep in his soft bed. All right? So that's how the sound. Okay, let's start again.
The big pig. I had a pig who liked to dig. He found a wig and did a jig. He wore the wig upon his head, then fell asleep in his soft bed.
Okay, that's fine. but you need to practice that again, okay? I'll send this one to you.
Okay.
Practice this. Practice that
So,
one.
so is it like RKH or something like that, more or less?
Which one? What? The
I mean, the pronunciation is like, oh, it's like K with H, right?
pig.
More or less.
Pig. Pig. Like that one, okay? That's how you should sound. But the sound is not really that good, so you need to practice the sound, okay?
Mm.
The pronunciation and the sound, the intonation. All right, this is recorded, so I'll send you
Oh,
the recording later
yeah.
also, okay? All right, that's
Mm.
good. Let's move on. There's some more here. Some are repeated. Of course, the words are repeated, so we need to practice this. I will read first.
Mm.
Feather, think, weather. Teeth, weather, thank. Thing, think, feather. Thunder, weather, the month, feather. Okay, so you need to make sure you pronounce the TH sound.
Mm.
We have soft TH, think. TH soft, thing. TH soft. Weather. TH is hard. So there's TH, soft TH, there's hard TH. Okay, that's hard TH. Month, that's soft TH. Okay? Ah, all right. Thank, thank you, thank. Soft TH. All right, let's start.
Feather, think, feather.
Think. TH. Don't
Mm.
forget to pronounce the TH. Think.
Think, think,
Th. Think.
think,
Think.
think,
Okay, I need to hear the TH because you're pronouncing only the T. Think. It should be think.
think.
Okay, next.
Weather, teeth,
Teeth.
teeth.
Okay, good.
Weather, tank,
Thank. Thank.
tank,
Thank. The TH. Thank.
sank,
Thank. Thank you.
mm,
Again.
sank,
Okay.
sing,
Thing.
sing,
Okay.
sink,
Think.
sink.
Okay.
Feather, thunder,
Thunder.
thunder.
All right. Good.
Weather,
Okay.
the months. Feather,
One.
think, sank, sing.
All right. Very good. Okay. So don't forget the TH sound. Okay. Very important. Soft
Okay.
TH. We have the hard TH.
Mm.
Okay. Next. Oh, we have some more here. The AE sound. AI, EI, OI, and the UI. Blended. All right. So air, chain, contain, explain, retail, main, paint, grain, rainbow, fail. The EI is abseil, being, protein, seize, ate, vain, weird, feisty, receive, either. The OI sound, join, voice, point, moist, exploit, choice, toilet, avoid, spoilt, rejoin. The UI sound, juice, fluid, guilty, quiet, built, fruit, quick, recruit, suitcase, cruise. Okay? Practice first, silently. Silently first. Then I will let you read everything.
Am I going to the first one
Uh, Practice first, but
only
I will
or
let you read everything.
okay?
So you'll be reading everything.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, I think.
Okay, start.
Air, chain, contain, explain, retail, main, paint, rain, rainbow, fail.
Okay, you need to make sure you pronounce the AI. Okay, that's why you need to read slowly.
Mm,
Air, chain. Okay,
okay.
contain, explain. Again, one more time, slowly.
Air, chain, contain, explain, retail, main, paint, rain, rainbow, fail,
This one, read it again. This one.
paint,
Paint.
paint,
T at the end. Paint.
paint,
Paint.
paint,
Don't forget the popping T at the end. Paint.
paint,
Okay, good. You see? That's how you sound. Paint. There should be a popping T at the end. Okay, very good. Next, EI. Abseil.
abseil, being, protein, seize, aid, win,
Vein.
weird, vain, weird, feasting, receive, either,
Continue.
okay,
OI.
join, join, voice, point, moist, exploit, choice, toilet, avoid, spoil, rejoin,
Okay, continue.
juice, fluid, guilty, quiet, build, fruit, quick, recruit, suitcase, cruise.
All right, very good. So I'll be sending you the recording of this one. And next meeting,
Mm,
we will continue with this, okay? Because there are more practices that
okay.
you need to do. You see, there are more practices here. But that will be in next meeting. That will be on Monday.
Mm,
All right, good job. So you're learning
okay.
how to pronounce. Just the sound,
Okay.
that's what
Thanks.
you need to practice, okay? The sound.
Mm,
All right, very good, very good. Okay, so I'll send you the recording. I'll also send the recording to your mom.
mhm.
Okay? How did you feel practicing?